This is class 4. I'm your mathematics teacher. Your first chapter is numbers and numerators. If you see your books, then you can see your first chapter. First chapter name is numbers and numeration. This is an important subject, important chapter for your whole entire mathematics books. So numbers and numerations are important chapter. So now we have to know about digit, numerators and numerations. See, digits are what? 1, 3, 4. This is 3-digit number. 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 4, 5, 6, 7. 4-digit numbers. Whole entire number is called numerators. 134 is called numerators. The group of digits is called numerator. If we write this in 130, number name 4, this is called numerations. Digits are called 1, 2, 3. How many digits? 3 digits. Here 4 digits. Because of why? 134, 4, 3, 1. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. 24. How many digits? 1, 2. 2 digits. 9, 1, 1. How many digits? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. So this is called digits. How many numbers are there? This is called numbers of numbers of the digits are 4. So this is called digits. The numerator is how to write the groups of digits, how to write in one number. This is 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 digits. 4 digits number in one number is 4567. Numerations is if we write in number name. Number name if we write, then this is called, that will be called numerator. Now write in what? You can see the first line is activity 1. Write in words. Write in words. First one is 3849. How to write in words? 3849. How to write in words? 3849. So you have to write the number names or words. This is called numerations. So 3849. This is called written in words. Next one is 5303. How to write? 5303. How to write? 5303. 5300. Zero 3. It means 3. So understood what I am telling? Write in word. Activity 1 question is there is write in words. So this is written in, this is numerator. We have to write in numerations. Numerators, this is called numerations. That means if the group of digits are there, that was called numerator. If we write the numerators in number name, then number name of the numerator is called numerations. Okay. So digits means how many numbers are there in one numerator. So next one is 8074. How to write? 8074 means 1, 10, 100, 1000. So 8000. EIGHT. 8074. SEVENTY 4. 74. 8074. Okay. Next, last one is 7777. 4 sevens are there. How many digits? four digits. There are also 4 digits. There are 4 digits. 4 digits. 4 digits. 4D means 4 digits. 4D 4 digits. 4D means 4 digits. 4D means 4 digits. All are 4 digits. 4 digits. Next one is this last one. 7,777. 7 SEVEN 1,000 700 77. This one is disturbing. Sorry. 77. This is called 7,777. So number name or words written. Okay. This is all are given in numerator. We are written numerations there. Okay. Next one is number 2 is write the number name. Okay. Number name 4320. Same thing you have to write in number name. Number name is what? Same thing. Number name words same thing. Just you write 4,320. So this is called 4,320. This is called number name. Okay. Next one. Next page. Okay. Next page. 7, 4, 8, 9. This one. So you have to write the number name. 7,000. Again, you are written. You are know already how I discussed. What was discussed. For the previous classes, you already discussed about this number names, words. Already discussed about this in the class, your previous class 3. So I'm repeating this one. So this one will be easy for you. 7,000. I hope not any difficulties what I'm said about this. Okay, I hope not difficult to understand for this. Okay, this one is very simple. 7,400. I'm just repeating 489. I'm just repeating this one, very easy, because you already know, you already got this type of answer in the previous classes. So I hope no difficulties to understand this topic. Next one is 19109. Yeah. Then 1,909. You already know. So just write the number name. 1,000. 900. 9. Last one is 8765. Okay, how to write 8,000? ERGHT 8,765. So very easy this one. So just number name already written in. Already we discussed in class 3. Some of your students was that section, maybe or not 3B. But you all, this one already you got in the, you already discussed in the class 3, in your previous classes you already discussed. Number 3 is expansion. There is no new expansion, already you maybe you got, already you practiced in previous classes. 6827. It means how to write in expansion. 6, right? From left side. 6 into how many numbers are there? 8, 2, 7. 3 numbers are there, so 1, 0, 0, 0 plus 8 was there. 8 into how many numbers are there? 2, 0, 0 plus 2, 1, 0 plus 7. The no numbers are there, so 7 into 1, only 1. Next one, 3, 1, 7, 9. So how to write 3 into how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 plus 1 into how many numbers are there? 7, 9. 1, 0, 0 plus 7 into how many numbers are there? 1, 1, 0 plus 9 into 1. Again 8, 1, 0, 5. Sorry, 5. So same thing about start from left side. 8 into how many number? 1, 2, 3. 0, 0, 0 plus 1 into how many number? 2, 0, 0 plus 0. So 0 no need. 0 into 10. This one you can write or you can not write, no problem. This one no need. This is your choice. You can write or you cannot write, no problem. So 5 into 1. So last one, 4, 1, 8, 0. 4 into how many number? 3 number. 4 into 1, 0, 0, 0 plus 1 into 2 there, 0, 0 plus 8 into 1, 1 plus 0 into 1. So this one no need. 0 into something, 0 into any number is called 0. So no need to write this one. But as per rule, we retain, no problem. So number 4 is expansion from is given, you write the numerator. 3, 0, 0, 0 plus 4, 0, 0 plus 5, 0 plus 6. So this is very simple. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. You have only 3, 2, 1. 3, 4 digit, 3 digit, 2 digit, 1 digit. So now you see 1 digit, 10 digit, 100 digit, 1000 digit. Okay. So which one is there? 3000, 3 in 1000 digit. 400, 4 in 100 digit. 5, 0 in 10 digit. 6 is 1 digit. So numbers is 3, 4, 5, 6. Next one, 7000. 90 plus 8. So 7000, 7 in 7 digit, 100 digit. 90 means 10th digit. 8 means 1 digit. So here 4 digit, 2 digit, 1 digit. So 100 digit is missing. So 100 digit is missing. In this place we may put 0. So answer 7098. Last one, 4000 plus 200 plus 20 equal to 4000 means 4 digit. 1000 digits is coming 4. 200, 100 digit 2. 20,000, 10 digit is 2. So 1 digit is not there. So 1 digit is nothing, so 0. So 4220. If not give any numbers, if in expansion from not give any digits positions, then you just put 0. Okay, here we not found any hundreds place in the expansion from, so we put 0. Okay, 0 is the last option. So 6000 plus 5. Again see 6000 in 1000 place 6 and other places is empty. So 5 in only one place. So here 2 digits are missing. So 2 digits are missing means we not write 65. We can write 0, 0, right? Then this will be right. If you write 65, then this will be wrong. So this is 70898422060. This one also, if you see 0 is not value, any no value for 0, so you can write 422. No, not write 422. You have to write full from. Okay, you have to write full from. This 0 will be this 0, this have value. this 0 have failed, this 0 have failed. Because if 6000 plus 500 written, then you can put the 5 in the 100 place. Otherwise, not right. So today is enough. So see you in next class. Thank you. Your class is over. Thank you.